next is going to be awesome. Stay where you are.
Coming up next, Ricky the Dragon Steamboat looks to get one over Ric Flair. Steamboat, who got the win over Flair on Saturday Night Main Event, or was that SmackDown? I think it was. Only for Ted DiBiase to inflict a defeat on Ricky Steamboat in the hopes of softening him up here against the Nature Boy. Question becomes, did he do enough? As this age-old rivalry resumes here, Ricky the Dragon Steamboat facing off against the Nature Boy, Ric Flair, in a no-holds-barred match. Steamboat, of course, the quintessential good guy. One of the few wrestlers who've been face for their entire careers, never turned heel. Not sure how he'd be able to sell it, to be honest. He's just a general good guy, isn't he? Always played the face, and now going to take on one of the greatest heels of all time, the Nature Boy, Ric Flair. The wheeling, dealing, kiss stealing, jet flying, limousine riding son of a gun, the Nature Boy. Perhaps the greatest of all time. He said he's ready to begin his ascendancy to his rightful place at the top of the fantasy universe. And Ricky Steamboat is just a pebble in his way.
Absolutely, I've imagined it. That's probably all I'll ever get to do. A lifestyle I can only dream of. That's what it's like.
Tell you what, guys, there is a documentary on Ric Flair. I think it was on DSTV, maybe Netflix, called The Nature Boy. Tell you, this man in his prime, everybody wanted to be him, woman wanted to be with him, dedicated his life to the business. Ric Flair,
But it's still got the longest line. The limousine riding, jet flying, kiss stealing, wheeling, dealing, son of a gun, Nate!
Ric Flair, to take on Ricky the Dragon Steamboat here at Money in the Bank. A resumption of a very old rivalry, and Nature Boy goes after Ricky Steamboat straight away, going after the head there. Ric Flair, and Steamboat will have learnt his lesson here. He knows Flair will go after the legs every chance he gets, and there he goes straight away with the knee drop there. Ric Flair now taking it to Rick Steamboat, and Steamboat fighting back. Ric Flair and Ricky Steamboat, who have gone on record as saying the best matches of their careers were against each other. Nice work there from Ric Flair again, going after the legs every chance he gets. And Steamboat has got to find a way here to get some purchase back in this match.
He still appears to be in pretty good shape here.
And you can see now Ric Flair. Oh, and there comes Rick Steamboat. Oh, those flurry of kicks there from the martial arts master, laying into the Nature Boy. And again, going after the legs. Steamboat here again. Oh, goes for the ride with a massive pile driver. And Ric Flair trash talking there like only he can.
Here we are, guys, more than 3 decades after the WWE helped
revolutionize
television.
Veteran move there from Ric Flair. And Steamboat trying to fight back here against the Nature Boy. Oh, gets a double chop there. Misses the second one. And Ric Flair curbs that one right in the bud there. Goes after the legs again. And again Ric Flair now going back to that pile driver. Is laying on some heavy artillery here on Ricky Steamboat. Going for the cover. No go. And Ric Flair now, pulling the eyes. Referee, get a look in there. Referee missing. I suppose anything goes here in a false count anyway match, wouldn't it? And a huge back suplex there. Ricky Steamboat now starting to feel it a little bit. And Steamboat misses the opportunity against the Nature Boy. And look at Ric Flair go here. It's really taking it to Ricky the Dragon Steamboat and the Nature Boy going to the top rope.
This match is undoubtedly one of the
nails the elbow there on Ricky Steamboat.
Amazing matches. Yeah, we get to sit here and call all of them.
And again, Ric Flair gets a boot to the face. And another kick to the face again, and Steamboat now with those cultured feet of his laying into Ric Flair. An elbow to the top of the head. Irish whip now into the turnbuckle.
We may very well be seeing the
and a flip there over the top. Steamboat now getting a head of steam against the Nature Boy. And Flair got to try and get one back over Ricky Steamboat here. He gets off away from his man. Drops the Dragon.
Pushed to the limit now. This is not where he wants to be at this point in this match. He has got to do something quick.
And Flair now
needs to feed off the energy
taking it to Ricky Steamboat.
I'm with Corey. I suspect the finisher.
And again the legs taking a lot of punishment.
I'd say there's almost no coming back from it.
Steamboat fighting back. Crucifix slam there. And Ric Flair gets out of dodge in no time.
And now he goes for it a second time. He turns it around.
And Ric Flair, is he going for the figure four? No, just working on the legs.
No surprise that the sold-out signs went up early on this one, guys. Anytime a WWE pay-per-view.
Ric Flair now doing a good job on Ricky Steamboat. Steamboat has got to find a way to get into this match somehow or the other. As Ric Flair now at the mercy of Steamboat and fights out of it once again.
For quite some time, and what better place for it than right here
with the clothesline. And Ric Flair now is measuring Ricky Steamboat here with the huge knee.
But he's running on fumes here. Does he have enough left in him to capitalize?
And Steamboat now, he's going for the figure four. He's going for the figure four. Can he put his man away? Ric Flair, his signature maneuver, taking it to Ricky Steamboat here. Can he put his man away? He cannot. Ric Flair, oh my goodness, Steamboat fights out of it. And Steamboat feeling it a little bit. And again catches the leg. And a huge clothesline there. Steamboat fighting back now. Steamboat, he's nailed Ric Flair there with a massive kick. And Steamboat here smelling blood in the water. Steamboat misses his kick. And the Dragon Screw there. Flair now nails the elbow. And Steamboat is surely out of it. Surely. No, he kicks out. Ricky Steamboat with great intestinal fortitude there. And again misses the kick. Ric Flair now back to the leg. Back to the leg. Consummate professional sees the weakened area and hasn't let go. And Steamboat fighting desperately now to keep his feet under him. Ric Flair gets a kick there to the small of the back.
This is dangerous right here.
And here goes Steamboat up on top. Nails him, and the Steamboat flips right back up. Wow, don't think Flair expected that. Great Intestinal fortitude there from Ricky the Dragon Steamboat. And Flair needs to get out of here and quickly.
Found that little extra something to keep themselves going here tonight.
And again, got to put his man away somehow. Ric Flair, self-professed one of the dirtiest players in the game. And Ric Flair now going for the cover. Whoa, whoa! Oh, Flair gets out of it somehow. But, I mean, Steamboat gets out of it somehow. Whoa, and he's nailed Flair there. Pulverized him with that. Flair gets out of it again. My word, that kick got out of nowhere. And once again, Ric Flair. Flair now going for the chair. Ric Flair not one to stick by the rules. Testing the chair out. Misses his man. Oh, and misses again. And Ric Flair picks up the chair. What's he got in mind here? Oh, going after the legs again. And again.
Oh, there's more in their arsenal, I promise you that.
Oh, and he caught him on the back there. And now Ric Flair has got the leg. Certainly going after the leg here. Oh.
I don't know what made him think that was a good idea.
Goes after the chair again, Ric Flair. Oh, and Flair nails his man completely.
Point because those thoughts creep in of what do I have to do to put this match to rest? I don't know. I don't know as a WWE superstar if you ever have those thoughts of self-doubt.
And Ric Flair is taking a lot of punishment here, but still in it. He's still in it. Can he put the Nature Boy away this time?
At this point,
out goes Ric Flair.
By continuing. I mean, he's getting absolutely
and Ricky Steamboat somehow is still in this match. Oh, big DDT there, and Ric Flair unable to put his man away. Ric Flair at the mercy of the Dragon here. Oh, nailed against the apron.
How are these superstars even still going, guys? I mean, they have to be on fumes right now.
And Steamboat thinks he got his man here. If he can just put Ric Flair away. Steamboat seeing the chair, refusing to go after it though. Oh, he's missed his man. And Steamboat again going after the leg. Ric Flair taking it to Ricky Steamboat. Oh, twisting and turning. And Ric Flair now relishing his dominance. Oh, he's opened him up. He's opened him up. And now going for the figure four. Once again, Steamboat fights out of it. Oh, he's missed him again.
Yeah, he's one of the most energetic performers in WWE history. Taking out the knee.
And Steamboat gets up again somehow. Amazing resilience from Ricky the Dragon Steamboat. Will not stay down for anything or anybody. And Ric Flair must be wondering what he's got to do to put the Dragon away. Oh, another drop kick. Huge clothesline there. And once again, Steamboat avoiding the figure four. He knows it's going to be curtains if Ric Flair can hook that one in. Nature Boy fighting with everything he's got, but Steamboat, amazing resilience from him.
They have to, but can they dig down deep enough to find it?
Oh, Kinshasa, he's nailed him there.
Just when you thought he had nothing left.
Ric Flair sends Ric Flair sends Steamboat to the outside. Can Ric Flair now puts Ricky Steamboat away? He's going for it. Woo! Here comes the figure four, and there's nowhere to go for Ricky Steamboat. Nowhere to go. And Ricky Steamboat at the mercy of the Nature Boy, and he hasn't tapped. He's turned it around. Wow, unbelievable stuff. Oh, he's missed his man. He's missed his man with the kick. And Steamboat goes after it, right after it. Say it again. Ricky Steamboat. My word. And this time, the Nature Boy is not letting go. And Ricky the Dragon Steamboat has been made to submit by the Nature Boy. What a battle that was. As the Nature Boy, Ric Flair, picks up a huge victory here against the Dragon Ricky Steamboat. Took away his greatest weapons, went out to the legs from the beginning. Steamboat, well aware of the tactics of Ric Flair, fought with everything he had, but in the end, the Nature Boy just had too much for him.
And there's your winner, ladies and gentlemen. You know, nothing made me happier than when I'd lock in Lucky 13 and make my opponents tap out. The action we see each and every year at Money in the Bank.
The Nature Boy styling and profiling for the fans out there with a win. Woo! I don't think he's done here though. The Nature Boy. Oh, goes after the legs again and again. Ric Flair takes it to Ricky Steamboat once again, and once again gonna lock in the figure four here. That's not bad enough. There goes Nature Boy. And Ric Flair is in all kinds of pain there. The Nature Boy driving his point home. And there you have it, the champ. Well, he'll always be the champ in his own eyes, won't he? The Nature Boy, Ric Flair, with a great win here over the Dragon Ricky Steamboat. Great match coming up next. We still have a lot of great matches to come. Onward and upward. Here we go. Cheers.